Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we will be talking about how to fix Kayak app not working. So to fix this issue, you can start by checking the server status. Verify if Kayak is experiencing a widespread outage using a service like Down Detector. Now the next what you can do is force stopping the app and then reopen it. Just open the Kayak app, and if you find some issue going on with the app, just swipe it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again to close it completely and relaunch it to clear temporary glitches. Now the next what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then find Kayak, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is check for the internet connection. You can just toggle between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to ensure a stable connection. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.